Hi everyone. If you're someone who always ends up with way too many tabs open, this is going to completely change how you use your browser. Instead of squeezing everything into a tiny horizontal bar, Chrome now lets you move your tabs to the side, giving you a much cleaner and more organized view. This works especially well on Windows 11, where wide screens give you extra space on the side. You can actually read full tab titles, switch faster, and manage everything without that messy clutter feeling. The feature is part of the latest Chrome updates, but since it's rolling out slowly, you can turn it on manually right now. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to the address bar and type Chrome flags vertical tabs. Then press Enter to open the experimental settings page. Next, look for the option called Vertical Tabs on the page. Then, change that setting from default to enabled. Next, click the relaunch button so Chrome restarts with the new feature. After that, once Chrome opens again, right-click anywhere on the tab area and choose the option to show tabs vertically. Now your tabs will move to a clean sidebar layout, making everything easier to see and manage, especially if you keep a lot of pages open. That's it. Once you try this, it's really hard to go back to the old layout. Give it a try and see how much smoother your browsing feels.